Hey, so you just took over a property or you just purchased a property that has way too many repairs and you don't know what to do, you don't know who to call, and you're probably not even in the area. There are many things actually that you can do, and we can always help you with that. So the first thing you can do is you can actually sell it as is. You can just get rid of it, right? You don't want the headache. You give us a call, we'll make an offer to you. Then you can also look at actually repairing that property. So if you have access to the capital, you can repair the property, bring it up to market standard, and in fact, sell the property as well. The third thing you can do is you can bring it up to rental standard. Again, something we can help you with. We can get that property repaired, bring it up to a rental standard, and rent that property out and manage that property. That way you have now a passive income coming in off of that property moving forward as well. And you also have the debt pay down from that as well. These are different factors for things that you can do when there are a lot of repairs on a property. And don't worry, because there is someone you can call. And so feel free to reach out, and we'll see you on the next one.